Pitch black white.
The lamppost not
Nah, them you might get 1 or 2 walking, but pitch black white. See how far the land opposite from each other, so now in between is darkness.
Okay.
And then the lights from the houses and them things, so there's it. See that trend of the James? Yeah. And they got a cane for you somewhere out here too. There see.
Pandy.
This is where I used to live. When I come down when the auto is it, I used to live out here with them.
When who?
When my mother-in-law.
Oh.
This is better for walking. They get good for walking, and this is better for walking.
Oh, so that's why Alex is. No, I mean.
No, Alex, no, they move over the river.
Okay.
What's this roadway on? This is a line top. All this used to be real road. Train.
Oh wait, Calvin, the road is called Line Top.
Yeah, this is a line top.
I'm thinking it's just the
all this is
I thought
Okay.
Line Top.
No, it's a line top. All them, this, you know why they say line? Because the front line, the train line used to be here.
Okay.
The train line used to run all the way through. From a town, come all the way through. And my father used to drive the train. Long years ago, he used to drive the train. You see this Rastaman? You want some Itol? The best Itol in by right there.
You should tell me how to
The Rastaman right there.
That I wanted to eat,
Best Itol, boy.
You see, I keep buying provisions and bread fruit. Is that what I want to do?
That Itol right there, boy. The Rastaman. When he gave the thing, I think it's meat you eat it. Right? See it?
It's actually called the Juice.
Yeah. Oh, did? Really?
That one, yeah.
And this is a we call it Android. So you can see that John D flag now. Indian film. And I show you that to leave from when she left from company. Over some. Right there. This house right there. This house right there.
Yeah.
This one right there with the gray fence.
Yeah.
Yeah. Right
Okay.
there she used to live. Used to live downstairs. Right up there. Downtown. Where she first go. When she leave, that's why I used to stay with her come.
Okay.
Yeah.
What's that big white thing there?
Yes. What? Tank. Water tank.
Wow.
The water is far better than we water.
But they need to have a reservoir or a dam or something.
That's the water thing there.
It's a big friggin' thing there.
Show you how these people place, but no. If I say I will come through, you know, for work hard. See, kind of water there.
Yeah.
Remember we talk about busting the leak out?
Yeah.
See the man busting the leak right there? Watch these people's houses. Right? See them houses? See the colors? Right?
Nice one.
Very good people. What do you want? Two black people and stuff like that. But you won't come from so. See these folks, see? You got Central here and all them things. As I tell her, they come out. Let me see these things. Yeah, and color.
Everybody have a different color.
Yep. Them things. Watch them houses. See?
Yeah.
How come we got it in big community like that? See one or two shop house. Everywhere you pass, you see a big house.
Number one.
And all them things.
Man painting up this boat, but
Doing it so it don't leak.
Oh,
Yeah.
holy
A
bad.
little donkey. I used to come through, but I used to wait. How come I go to Pleasance? Pleasance can. That's nothing compared to these people place, man. You see this with the money there? When people that, you know, when people got whoever the little business and them things, you know. Much of them houses there. What you getting to put up in front of it?
You want to paint it up and things?
Yeah, see, put up the brick thing.
Oh, yeah.
But that thing might be the spray on the face on, what you call it.
Okay.
You see
Not
the
real.
James? Yeah, it's not really real. It's like what the thing is. See, you got the amok right there. You could open something.
The side of
Yeah.
That's not good.
That's where they got to watch. These shits there. Look at
Check this one right there.
Look at it, yeah. Look at it.
Yes.
Size of them bastards. Huh?
Yes.
That's nice, right? Look at that. Let me think. Close to 1, 2, 3, 4. Probably got 2 of them. Oh, yeah. You painted.
They paint everything, yeah.
Look at that shit. We got cameras and everything there, too. Look at that. I ain't even going in there. Look at all these numbers. Look at this shit right here. This is a nice
that's
color,
a nice
right?
one, yeah.
See that color there, James?
Like a cream.
Nah, man, that ain't green, man. That's something else. That's something and something mixed there.
Yeah.
Might
Oh,
even like a waterfall.
That color there almost look like the
That one
concrete
nice too.
color.
Yeah. So when I come in, I see these colors, I was like, mother. These shits, man.
I like these gray colors.
Yeah? Okay, you see, man? Like a king out in this joint. The money take you far away up in here. They live like these people. That's why they come down and they don't, what color they can put in, they don't prime in this, put whatever color on it. They ain't done yet.
Nice.
Why we get out one of them things, you see. Look at this shit. I can't put all that shit.
Oh, this area is a nice area too. Quiet.
Right there, you ain't even know out there when I used to go out there, ain't nobody begging you for nothing out there. Nobody begging you for nothing out there. The people got their own shit. And they just stuff, they got all the shoes outside.